up. Lawrence thought they dropped another, but he just plucked it with the left hand at about the third attempt.
I think the expression tells you, doesn't it? It's either that or it bubbled up and hit him in the mouth. I'm not too sure, but he knew that Safraz Khan is trying to at least get the boundary. And look, it's the last grasp there. Thank you very much. Oh, it stuck. You don't know how happy I am. Khan again gets himself in and gets out 76. India 281 for 4.
Rahman Jepper, 50 from 48 balls. His first half century for India under 19. They've been pretty quick all the way through India with regards to balls per 50, but this one, the sixth, is the fastest one so far as they look to finish with a flourish. Top shot for six.
That's not an easy shot to play, that low full toss. Quite often if you don't time it well, you can go straight down, long off, along one short, but this time around, Chopper timed it sweetly.
Oh, he's gonna bite back Coco.